Curious about how different theoretical frameworks influence the justice system in the Philippines. Wondering which theory aligns best with your legal philosophy.
Join Law Requisites PH for an in-depth exploration of the 2024 bar examination syllabus, expertly guided by Associate Justice Mario Lopez.
One. Classical theory. The foundation of personal accountability. At the heart of the classical theory is the belief in free will. This perspective sees individuals as rational entities, fully responsible for their actions. In the Philippines, this has been a cornerstone, insisting that punishment must match the crime committed. This approach emphasizes retribution and justice, upholding the idea that each individual is the architect of their own fate.
2. Positivist theory. A scientific lens on criminal behavior. The positivist theory introduces a paradigm shift, viewing criminal behavior through a scientific prism. It suggests that various external factors, such as genetics, psychological conditions, and societal influences, play a pivotal role in shaping an individual's propensity for crime. This theory has encouraged a more empathetic and rehabilitative approach within the Philippine criminal justice system, focusing on understanding and addressing the root causes of criminal actions.
3. Eclectic or mixed theory. Balancing accountability and compassion. Bridging the gap between the classical and positivist schools, the eclectic or mixed theory offers a holistic view. It acknowledges the significance of free will in criminal actions but also considers the impact of external circumstances. This theory endorses a balanced approach within the Philippine justice system, advocating for justice that is both fair and rehabilitative, recognizing the complexity of human behavior.
4. Utilitarian theory. The greater good in legal prudence. Centered on the maximization of societal welfare, the utilitarian theory plays a vital role in shaping laws and penal policies. It posits that legal actions should aim to promote the greatest good for the greatest number, influencing the Philippine criminal law to prioritize measures that reduce crime effectively, blending deterrence with rehabilitation for societal benefit.
Eager to delve further into the intricate world of criminal law in the Philippines? Subscribe to Law Requisites PH. Our tailored resources, aligned with the 2024 bar examination syllabus and under the expertise of Associate Justice Mario Lopez, are designed to empower you with critical knowledge and insights. Embark on your legal journey with confidence. Subscribe now for a comprehensive legal education.